what is the best item on the SIDUS Heroes Marketplace to bring you good profits? So today we're talking about SIDUS Heroes, and namely the Marketplace. This module allows you to trade your in-game items and heroes with other players for SIDUS or Senate tokens. So it became quite useful after the launch of SIDUS Bank, as now all users can withdraw SIDUS outside, thus making cash. And by the way, if you haven't watched our guide on SIDUS Bank, you should do it now. Just follow the link you see in the upper right corner. Okay, let's go back to the marketplace. So you can trade anything here, or at least anything. So on the main page, you can select an item as well as filter items by category. So what do we have here? NFT heroes. Only NFT cards from Genesis and Academy collections are available here, as the hand-drawn collections can be only purchased on OpenSea. Next, weapons. 3 items at fairly low price: taser, railgun pistol, and wave modulator. Armor. Here you can find all 6 tiers for 3 types of armor. The price starts at 1000 SIDUS for tier 1 and hits 71,000 SIDUS for tier 6. Next, loot boxes. Here you can find all types of loot boxes, starting from tesseracts that you can get by winning in the battle and ending up with drop boxes from the store module and community boxes that are given away as rewards for events on social media. Gadgets. Here you can find 11 different gadgets, some of them at, well, frankly inadequate prices. And besides, one-time gadgets are not included, well, at least for now. Resources. All the materials you need for module construction can be found in this section, like standard resources, composite, and pre-minerals. The latest addition is gems, which were absent for some time, but now they're back. Capsules. Here you'll find reproduction capsules needed to create replicants. Capsules come in 3 levels of rarity. You know the drill: common, epic, and legendary. Next, pets. All tiers of Toadwig eggs are in this section. Well, still have no idea when they will hatch. Consumables. Items in this section can be extremely useful in different situations. So you won't create a replicant without genetic stimulants. Or you can use Diamond Key to get X2 drops from every loot box. Seeds, and we have the same situation as with Toadwigs. So seeds to grow plants, to give fruits, and to feed pets. Well, just keep waiting. Perhaps you can trade almost anything now, but more items will be added in the next version until eventually all SIDUS in-game items are traded on the marketplace. Now, let's see what the item page has to offer. First, you can see the item itself and its details, like the number of owners and the cumulative price of their items, description, rarity, and etc. You can refresh listings and even share items on your social media. The price you see is the lowest from this item. All other listings can be found below. In the History tab, you can see all previous actions with this particular item, like listings, purchases, cancelled offers, and etc. You can set currency like SIDUS and Senate and type of listing, fixed price or auction. You can also set the price per unit or price in USD from low to high and vice versa. First, let's talk about selling your items. There are 2 ways to do that, for a fixed price or at an auction. So let's start with the fixed price option. To sell your item at a fixed price, simply click on the Sell button and select the currency, price, and quantity of items you want to sell. This system will also show you the commission. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on Continue Listing and confirm the placement of the item on the marketplace. Yeah, it's that simple. If you prefer to sell your item at an auction, well, just click on the Auction tab and set the price, quantity, and end date of the auction for that item. Yeah, but keep in mind that 1 day of the auction equals 24 hours from the moment the item was put up for sale. Okay, once you've entered all the necessary information, just click on Continue Listing and confirm the placement of the item. Besides, you can even sell items from several places. From the marketplace page, in this case, the sell button will only be active if you have the corresponding items in your inventory. And 2, from your personal profile. Items here are divided into corresponding sections. And please note that recently a minimum sales tax was introduced. And it's done to prevent items transfers between players' accounts at a minimum price. So fair play is now protected. Every item on the marketplace has a base price. So you can see it when putting an item up for sale or in the list of items. If the item is put on sale at a price lower than its base price, a 10% tax on the item's base price will be added to the price set by the seller. The final price of the item equals the price set by the seller plus tax. Now, let's move on to purchasing items. If you find something you like, just simply click on the item and you'll be taken to its sales page. Here, you can set up filters and export information about the item. If you want to purchase the item at the best current market price, simply click on the Buy Now button. The purchase confirmation window will appear, and once you confirm the purchase, the item will appear in your inventory. When we are talking about items sold in bunches, like consumables for example, it's better to explore the list and make sure you buy the bunch at the best price. Okay, if you're interested in bidding on an item at an auction, just click on the Place Bid button and enter your bid amount. And keep in mind that the item will only appear in your inventory if you win the auction. So keep an eye on it. Okay, how about considering the marketplace a field for profit? And yeah, you can earn some cash if you have a strategy. Some items can be purchased below their real value and, as a result, sold much higher. Just watch this guide on how to earn in SIDUS Heroes and learn more about marketplace trading and a few more ways to cash out your gaming time. Did you know that you can also edit your in-game profile on the marketplace? Well, it's not an obvious option, but still, it's super easy to do. Just click on your wallet address in the upper left corner and you'll see all your profile options. Here, you can change your avatar and username to something that really represents you. You can also add your real name and a bio to give people an idea of who you really are. Plus, you can even add links to your social media accounts so that people can connect with you outside of the game. But that's not even all. You can also see all the items you've bought and sold on the marketplace and keep track of your activity. It's a great way to stay organized and see how you're doing on the marketplace. Now, let's talk about royalties. When you sell an item on the marketplace, a 10% commission is charged on the item's value. But where does that money go? Well, 5% of the commission goes to the investor's royalties, which helps support the growth of the marketplace. Another 2.5% goes to SIDUS Heroes development, which helps fund the development of the game. And the remaining 2.5% goes to monthly token burn, which helps reduce the supply of tokens and increase the value over time. So not only you're making money by selling your items on the marketplace, but you're also helping support the game and its development. So it is a win-win situation, so to say. And so there you have it, folks, all the necessary things about the marketplace. And yeah, I do recommend you check it out on your own, understand how it works, and still, if you need some items, just don't rush, maybe you'll get them at significantly lower prices. As the best item on the marketplace, well, in my opinion, it's NFT Heroes cards, as the price for these items has dropped enough. And they can do both, grant you access to the game and be your long-term investment. Yeah, if you're a SIDUS believer, you can benefit from it in the future. So the project is still in its early stage and, well, in the next bull cycle, well, it can grow 100 times. So time to think and act now.